So what's going on now?
I took apart the computer.
So what's cool? What's going on? Yep. You want to talk about it? What do you think looks really cool there? Do you know what some of those pieces are? What's that piece by your hand? That one. Do you know what that is?
Fan.
A fan? What does the fan do?
It spins around really fast and makes electricity, and it goes up through those cords.
Oh.
Then,
Do you think it helps keep the computer cool
yeah, maybe that too.
so it won't overheat? That's pretty cool.
Wait, actually, those go up to the fan and make it spin.
Okay. Very neat. So what's another piece that you took off of there? You weren't sure what it was.
This thing.
That thing?
Yeah.
Do any of the YouTube watchers know what that thing is so that we can tell Alex? Because Mama doesn't know very much about computers at all. So leave a comment. Let us know.
Don't turn it off yet. Nah. Wait, I'm gonna unscrew this. I'm gonna take this off.
The screw?
I don't know.
It's a weird screw. Let's look. Oh. Alright, well I'm going to stop it for now and we'll record again in a minute.
No, let's keep on going. I'm gonna take this off.
Well, you don't have to stop.
I'm gonna take this off.
Okay. It's still on there, huh?
Yeah, we have to take some of these weird screws off.
Do you know what kind of screwdriver that is that you're using?
This is a Phillips.
Yep, good job. You think that did it? Oh, there's another screw.
This actually might connect to the fan.
Okay. Well, while he's trying to figure out all the screws, this is the toolbox that his grampy gave to him for his birthday, and it's filled with all kinds of his very own tools. And Alex has been extremely responsible with his tools. So whenever I get an extra tool for some reason, I've been adding tools to his toolbox as well. Is it soldered in?
Oh no.
I bet it's soldered in somewhere.
No, it's connecting to the fan.
Oh, well maybe you should try another screw. Alright, well I'm going to turn this off, but we'll start it back up in a minute, okay?
Can you take this off first?
Yeah. He's putting the screws down into his magnetic bowl. Whoa. What is that?
Neat. Ooh. It's like a circuit board.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. All right, now I'm gonna stop it and then we'll start recording in a little bit, okay? No?